Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to charge shipping on Shopify. If you want to do it, just go to your settings bar here. In the settings bar, you have to just go and search for the shipping here. So this is shipping and deliveries. Now you can just go and create a new profile. Let me explain you the new profile system here. So for example, if you do the international delivery, right? For example, we'll just take an example. Your store is running in USA, right, and you want to deliver to India, and you want to also deliver to Canada. So of course the shipping charges may vary. Of course it's going to be huge, right? Because India is very far, then you will charge more for the Indian deliveries, and Canada is very near to USA, so you will charge very less. So that's why we just make a new profile here. So we'll just make a new profile for Canada. So I will just write here Canada. Okay, so let me just correct the spelling here, Canada delivery, right? And once I do this, I can add a product. So for example, you want to show a specific product to Canada, and only those product they can order from there. So you can just add a specific product on which product this profile will apply. Now here, this is my store located in India here, and this is through Printify, and I will just go and click on save. Right, but as you can see here, add shipping zone. So here, for example, it's only for Canada. So I will just look for Canada here. And as you can see, a customer can't see this. So I have to just look for, okay. So sorry, you have to search for Canada here. And for example, you can also select these provinces. So if you don't deliver to this provinces, so you can just remove this up. Now I will just add here Canada, no rate, custom rate applies. We'll just go and click on add rate here. So for example, for it's custom, and yeah, you can see use flat rate. So for every delivery I charge around 1000 rupees, every delivery which will go to Canada. And I will just go and click on done, right? So I will just write here Canada delivery, right? And I will just go and click on done. So every customer who is from Canada and who have set their address as a Canada, then they have to pay this 1000 rupees for this charge. So this is for the profile, and make sure you don't forget to save it, right? And this is how you can create a profile, and you can just look it for this, and it's really easy. If you want to go for pick up in store, if you have a physical store, then just you can set it up. It's really easy to do this. So you have to just go and click on setup. You have to select the location, and you have to just add your address. That's it. There's nothing more you have to do, and you can create a new profile. And if you don't create a new profile, it's fine. Automatically it will get selected to Shopify will take it as a you're delivering to the whole world. And this is it, and this is how you can set your shipping and delivery. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.